Okay, what's your name, how old are you, and where are you from?
I'm Katie, I'm 19, I'm from Swansea, but at the moment I'm in London Contemporary.
I'm Luke, I'm 20, I'm from Talbot and I'm at Laban at the minute.
How has your time at National Youth gone so far this time?
It's been really good. I feel like we've had a lot longer this year.
Yeah, definitely.
Like the course feels a lot longer, so I feel like we've got more time.
More days to do.
Yeah, more days.
What's been the worst bit or the hardest bit so far?
Today.
Yeah, today, well, yeah, a bit grim today.
Today's been hard, just because, like the last few days I've kind of known what is going on, but today I just have no idea, so I just have to keep going in hope that I know, but I still don't.
I think because we're getting to the end stages of making things now that the pressure's on a little bit to finish the piece, but it was, it's looking good. We've got a lot of stuff, like.
Yeah, I feel so.
How does the process differ this time from the other times you've been with National Youth?
For me, it's all to do with the people in the room. Like, it's very different this year because I'm one of the oldest, which has never happened before.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of fresh faces in the room and new ideas, and that's the biggest change.
I think like it's developed as well. That Errol is saying that this is what he wants to push his work to be more like, and I really feel that we're doing really difficult things this year. They're really more mature and a bit more.
He's pushing it.
Yeah. It feels more like his company work rather than just a youth company, really, innit? And that's what he keeps saying.
Yeah, definitely.
It's good.
How does it feel being kind of like the long-term members this time? How does that feel?
Scary. I don't like being grown up.
No, I don't know. It's nice in a way, because you've had that experience before. But then, in another sense, people look at you as if you should know what you're doing, and sometimes I'm the one in the room who's going, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, it's quite frightening.
Yeah.
It's good. It's been really nice because we can sort of help people as well if they're a little bit stuck.
It's nice to pass on the information.
Yeah.
Do you feel a sense of responsibility towards the younger dancers?
Yeah, I do.
Do you?
I feel like the things I've learned from doing it for 4 years now. Like the things that I learned in my first year and the things I felt in my first year. I feel like I should share them. It's like a responsibility to let them know that this is going to be alright as well.
When you say responsible, do you mean is it like looking after them and things?
No,
I mean like
not in a personal way.
Oh no, that's alright then. No.
In the studio, like
no,
information.
definitely.
Yeah,
that's definitely happened.
Yeah.
with traces, how does that feel for that? Because it's like your piece, like you guys created it. How does it feel having to pass that on to new dancers and redo it all again for yourself?
Yeah.
It's been nice to come back to, I suppose.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, like I said, after the first run of it was really exciting because we found it a struggle to restage it with the old company. Definitely. And with the new companies come together very quickly. So it was a surprise, like a pleasant surprise. Really, really
I feel like we did the pre-summer residency and it seemed to have just like emerged on its own out the back, like, which was really fast. That didn't happen last year, really.
No, it was a struggle putting it back together.
Things.
New energies in the room as well, like obviously because they're a lot younger, fresher.
It's great.
Yeah, there's more energy in the piece, definitely.
What are you most looking forward to over the next week?
I think tomorrow is going to be a big day for us. Because he said earlier that he's going to piece the whole work together tomorrow. So probably seeing the through line and starting to make those connections in my head is probably going to be the most exciting part.
I'm slightly anxious about this week. I don't know how it's going to quite work for me because I'm doing the 3 pieces and I'm a little bit like, where do I go? What do I do? And obviously because things are still in work in progress, no one really knows what the schedule is going to be yet, so it's a bit...
It's exciting.
Yeah,
it's nice.
It is exciting. It's nervous exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah. And finally, if you were now to speak to somebody who's considering applying for National Youth Dance, what would you say to them?
Definitely do it.
Yeah.
Don't be frightened of applying. Don't come with expectations, because it's not necessarily what you think it's going to be. And I don't know, that's a really hard question, that is.
It's more, I'd say it's not about what you can do, it's more about what you can bring.
Yeah.
So.
And who you are.
Yeah, just bring yourself, and if.
They look for personality.
Yeah, they look for more rather than what's already there. So you can never tell really, like with a new company, what they're looking for. It's just like, yeah, just throw yourself in the deep end.